Go for it.
This is so good.
Okay, tell us what you have, Vanessa.
It's cream cheese filling with chocolate chips in it.
Yeah.
It's so amazing.
Here's a clean spoon.
Look at it.
Maybe I'll share with you.
Well, if Vanessa will share.
No! Wow, you're so nice. I knew something was fishy. Right when I see your face. Oh. Want some today?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
That loser. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh, this is business, man. Oh yeah, look at this.
That good, huh?
Wish my mom could make
Number
this.
4?
I think it's number 4.
Your mom could make it.
If she had like